Hello guys, welcome to this video. So we will show you another Vue 3 notification library. You can see on your right hand side corner this hello success callback is showing notification. So you can use this package as well. So let me show you the package name. It is Vue 3 notification. If you go to npmjs.com, just search for this package, which is Vue 3 notification. So this is actually the package, and I've already installed it. This is a command. It's almost having 19 downloads. It's a fairly new package. So now to initialize this, first of all you need to go to your main.ts file. This is in TypeScript. So first of all you need to import this package. So we say import notifications coming from this package, and then we pass it as a middleware, which is app.use notifications. That's all. So now we close it. Now we come to the component. Inside your template we define a button. We will say show notification. So you'll just find and add the rate click on click. So when we click the button, we will execute this function show notification. So now we need to define this, and we also need to embed this component, which is notifications, to actually show the notification. So now in the script tag inside your TypeScript code, we import the module such as use notification, and it will be coming from this package like this, and then we export default and provide the name of the component, and then we need to call the setup function, and right here we specify we need to extract notify from this use notification, and then we define this function show notification, which is a arrow function, and inside this we use this notify, and it actually takes an object which contains three properties such as the title of the message and then a little bit more detailed explanation. So you'll say hello user, this is notification, and then the type of the notification or toast. This will be a success, so it will be appearing in a green color. So, and then the fourth one, duration. So how many seconds that you want this duration notification to stay. So I will say 5000 millisecond. It will stay for 5 seconds. And lastly, we just need to return this method show notification. That's all. So this is a complete example, and you will see this button, and as I click the button you will see the notification will stay for 5 seconds and then it will go away. You will see that. But if you click this, it will go away. If you want to close it before 5 seconds, you can just click on that notification and then it will go away. So apart from that, it offers some more notification toast types as well. So if you don't want it to be in green color, you can change this to be error. So now it will be in red color. You will see that. It also supports warning. I think it will be in yellow color or blue color, sorry. And then info, which is, I think it will be in yellow color. Oh, sorry, blue color. So these are all the types that it supports. A very lightweight post notification message library. And I think it also supports the positioning as well. Top left, you can provide it. Default position is top right, but I think yeah, So if you check out their documentation as well, this is their GitHub page. You can do read more about it. So thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. If you like this video, then please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and do check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video, and image. And I will be seeing you guys in the next video.